These are what we call lifting jacks to lift level tiny houses, cabins, containers. These are capable for 2.7 tonnes each. They've got travel of 500 to 530 mils, just depending on which version. This particular one has been modified. This lifting point has been moved down. This is for a cabin application. And we've got a 24mm socket on here as opposed to a manual handle. Reason for that is speed. Now you can introduce a drill. There's about 250 revolutions on that full length, so after time your arm gets sore. So what we've found, you want to use a drill with a clutch, not an impact driver. An impact driver will eventually shear a pin that is in the cog mechanism in here. It's designed to shear, first breakage point, can be replaced easily, so it's not the end of the world. But when you've got a clutch, you can hits the clutch before we break the pin. Now to get it started going back the other way, you might need a bit more clutch on, and then away you go. And best practice is once you get near the end, you can just slow down and let it hit. On these particular ones, I've just painted some black dots on there, just so you can see where the extents of the travel are. Now, when you've got a load on, you may need a bit more clutch than just one on that drill. And we've also got a manual handle there as well, so if you run out of battery, forget your drill, you can wind away as usual.